One of the pointless features of Narrowboat Potteries was it's been fitted with a car radio at some point, and these speakers mounted in the ceiling that are not connected to anything, and they were a source of much annoyance, were they not, mister? And to make matters worse, on the roof there was some kind of radio aerial. I don't understand why people drill holes in narrowboat roofs, or well, anywhere, to be honest. And we've had some horrendous weather, and one of them, the aerial was mounted immediately above the other speaker. Yeah, I know, it's a video camera. And with all that rain, some of it found its way through and stained the plywood. And I have come up with a nautical remedy.
It's interesting.
Look at that. It's a kitchen plate coaster made of rope, so it's nautical. And I've just glued it to the ceiling.
Yeah.
To hide the staining plywood. So if we're happy with it, because the alternative is to try and find plywood to match and replace it,
John's gone crazy.
That one will be replaced with that one down there. If not, I've got somewhere to put my warm plates.
The old water into wine thing was a one-time offer, unfortunately.
Is there anything hanging over your head that you want to talk about?
I don't know. I mean, ever since Robert's been working with the young offenders, I feel like it's given him a purpose, you know.
Yeah, no, I have noticed.
Still up there.
You're driving me fucking
Working with them kids has been good for him. In fact, that's what's making him late.
Oh.
No, the
yeah,
real
you know, Chloe,
elephant in the
girl who
room.
did a shifters, got herself into some trouble and...
Yeah, Chloe.
Is that lovely gift we had off your mother?
Oh, right, you knew.
Yeah, I went to a trial.
Sorry?
Well, Chloe, she's back in young offenders again.
Don't we need a warning sign on
A
that?
couple of weeks ago.
What is it?
What? Ugly pug?
I missed that then.
Well, I'm trying to... Do you know what? I don't know why I bother trying to watch telly with you.
No, not really.
For sake.
We're looking for a name for the hideous dog, if anybody's got any ideas.
You take a large knife and